How to create a musician or an artist website in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a website specific for a musician or an artist into the Wix account. So we're going basically to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and if you're going to be familiar with a Wix websites creation, you're going to find the site's dashboard like that. And if you are not going to be familiar, you're going to get directly or straight to this page. Now, if you're going to have some websites, click on create new website. It is not going to be something new for the amateur of the Wix websites. So we are going to click on create on Wix editor, not try Wix Studio. It is going to be not the subject for today. Click on Wix editor because it is going to be for the subject of today's video. Now we're going to get the first step, which is going to have the help of the Wix ADI or the Wix Artificial Design Intelligence. This is going to be a step or a assistant or an AI assistant that will help you to generate automatically a website from the description and all of the component of that website specific for your needs. For example, if you want to do that, you can go ahead and click on Start Chat, and it is going to put some questions for you. And these questions, based on the answers that you're going to put, you're going to have a personalized website for you. So, if you're going to be interested with this method, click on Start Chat. If not, click on Setup without a chat, and you're going to head over the manual steps. So at any case, if you are going to skip that part for the Wix ADI, you can go ahead and have it at the end of the process, because it is going to suggest for you some of the help of the Wix ADI to create the website template. Now, what are we going to do? Basically, is going to be very simple. We are going to type in here the type of the website that we want to create. So basically, I'm going to have here for example, right there, as you can see, the type. So we're going to type in musician, for example, and we're going to find here musician portfolio, fan site, press kit, and etc. So if you're going to have, as you can see, a preference for musician, you can go ahead and have it just like that, or you can go ahead and have and type in artist like this, and you're going to find either an artist, collective, artist, etc. And here we have it. But the most, as you can see, type that we're going to have is going to be musician. Click on here, and we're going to click on continue. So we're going to wait for a few seconds until it is going to load up the Wix dashboard. Now, this is the step that we're going to have after we have set up the type. You're going to give your website a name, and then you're going to find the other steps that you're going to put into the dashboard of your website. And these are going to define the website of yours, or the nature of that website. So we're going to have, for example, Jax, or for example, like that, Jax music. Click on continue. Now the Wix app that we are going to implement in here, for example, we're going to have the portfolio, which is going to be built in, and it is going to be recommended for you, and you can have some more apps. Now we have the portfolio, so you can showcase your work in a beautiful portfolio. The videos, you're going to share, stream, and sell videos, for example, music videos. The music, you can go and stream and sell your music with commission free. You can add a online program, for example, if you're going to have some trainings, but I don't think that it is going to be the case. For more apps, you can go ahead and add an online store, for example, for having maybe a let's say here a merch or some print on a specific, let's say, event t-shirts or clothings. You can add, for example, some bookings. If you're going to make some collaboration with artists, you can go ahead and have them. The events are going to be okay if you're going to add them right there, because you're going to maybe, as an artist, create some events and you need people to attend these events, so you can go ahead and sell here some tickets online. So for the pricing plans, as you can see, you can go ahead and add it if you're going to have some subscriptions, forums, chat, Instagram feed. I'm going to add it because it is going to be the case. Um, what else we can add? For example, your file share, groups, and etc. It is going to be up to you. So I have chosen these. Click on continue. After that, we're going to see the dashboard of your website, and it is going to be regulated to the preferences that we have did. Now what we're going to do is to make sure that we have at least added the payment methods within the settings. Click on settings, and if you're going to sell music or albums, go ahead and click on add payment or accept payment, add and change. For example, depending on the region that you're going to add in here, it is going to give you the liberty or freedom to add a Stripe, a PayPal, and etc. Go ahead and connect all of these payment methods, not the manual payment method, only PayPal and Stripe. And also you can have some more payment methods like Square, Google Pay, Klarna, and etc. And here you have it. Now we're going to be back to the setup page or the home page. We can go ahead and click on design site, and we're going to have here the choice between Wix ADI, which is going to be generating a design, or pick a template. So in my case, I'm going to pick a template because these are going to be more professional than Wix ADI. So we're going to find the best matches, the recommended ones, and etc. So go ahead and select whatever you want. You can go ahead and click on edit directly, so it is going to be meaning that you have chosen that website, or click on view details. And when you click on view details, you're going to see the website without choosing it, and see different component and also different sections that has been implemented into that website. So it is going to be very good, and if you're going to agree with it, you can go ahead and have your website added right there. So you can see that we have the main apps that has been added in here into that website. You can find in here the different sections, as you can see, different elements, and also showcasing for the tickets and etc. So if you like this website, click on edit this website. If you do not like it, go ahead and click on return and choose another website. You can in any case go ahead and see all the templates. If you do not want to have the musician or the artist one, you can go ahead also and create one from scratch. So I highly recommend for you not to create one from scratch, because these are going to be more let's say leading for a better, let's say, result. For example, I'm going to have this one. As you can see, the artwork is phenomenal. As you can see, this is going to be a portfolio page having the Spotify, the Instagram, here YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Amazon shops all together. All the icons are here. It is going to be something like that, and I think that it is going to be phenomenal. So this is going to be very cool. I can go ahead and click on view the demo site, so I can go ahead and view the demonstration, the full demonstration of the website. All I need to do is to change this picture and the cover and have it for myself, for example. I have like this one. I click on edit this site. It is basically going to give you the chance, or not the chance, but the Wix website editor opened, and this is going to lead you to the next steps, which is going to be customizing the website. As you can see, having everything set up. So it is going to add your portfolio. Basically, the basic website is going to be here, and it is going to add the options that you have implemented, like the portfolio, like the events, like the videos or the Wix videos, also the Wix music, and etc. So these are going to be the key elements for you to make some sales within the website that you have created. It is going to take a little bit of time, but you need to wait for it for a few seconds. You can go ahead and head over the dashboard of your account, and then you can go ahead and wait for it in the same time. Now, as you can see, we have finished setting up our website. You can go ahead and enhance your content with the help of the AI. So you're going to give it a brief description of your website, and it is going to create all the descriptions for all the sections into your website. Here we have the type of the site and also the name of it, and we can go ahead and ignore this step. Now, aside from that, you can have here the modification set up for your website by adding some elements, sections, organize and manage the pages and the menus. You can modify the site design, add some apps, and etc. So it is going to be very easy, and as you can see, and I can consider that this website is going to be very cool. So you can go ahead and open up the inspector, or click on change the background, and change the background, also the photo of this website. It is going to be something that you need. Right there, as you can see, you can modify whatever you want from here, and set up whatever also you want for your career. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.